Hello, it's Susan here from He Cosplay, and today's video is going to be a little different from anything else I've done on the channel so far. Last year, Plaid Crafts reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to be part of their Cosplay Ambassador program, which was very kind of them to do so, and since I've been using their products for years, I said yes. And when I came home today, there was a box sitting outside for me, so I figured I would open up and see what's in there. It looks a little messy up top. That's because I peeled off all the shipping information just for privacy's sake, so I wasn't showing my address on the internet. But let's see what is inside. Okay, so we've got a bunch of paper. Oh, this is probably going to be super crunchy on the audio. I apologize for that. Da-da-da-da. And here's what it looks like out of the box. They very generously sent a large sampling of the new FX paint, which is a flexible acrylic paint. And it was made for cosplayers and makers, so it's intended for EVA foam, which is super cool, so I am excited to give it a try. And they sent a variety of different finishes, so we have satin smooth, there is the armor metallic, the nuclear neon, and the high voltage glitter. Oh, and nitro glow was hiding in the back. Thank you very much to Plaid for sending these to me. I'm really excited to try them out, and if you have any suggestions for things you'd like to see me make with these, let me know in the comments below, and thank you very much for watching.